Hello and welcome again to another DSPB video. In this one I'm going to unbox the brand new Viltrox 85mm 1.8 for Fuji X mount and tell you my first hands-on impressions. But first of all, a huge thank you to Viltrox for sponsoring DS Photoblogs YouTube channel. They sent me this lens for free and I can keep the lens and continue to make videos for you guys. Packaging safety material, very good to keep your lens safe. And here is a Viltrox labeled lens bag, very nice. You also get this certification card. A manual written in English and Chinese, and a certificate which says pass. So excellent to see some quality control on Chinese lenses. And now finally let's look at the lens. Very nice. This definitely looks very polished and like high quality in the hands. Great to see a Chinese manufacturer giving us such a high quality lens. Build quality is very much comparable to Sigma and better Sony lenses, I would say. The lens cap is quite plasticky, but also doesn't look too cheap. The weight of this lens is not too heavy, but also not lightweight. For an 85mm with a fast 1.8 aperture and a very solid metal construction, I think this weight is really okay though. This lens features a lot for its price of only €379. You get 10 elements in 7 groups, HD nano multi-layer coating with water resistant and anti-fouling coating, noiseless STM AF focus motor. Yes, you do get silent AF here, with a third-party lens on Fuji X mount, and it also has an internal focus, so the lens never extends. Fantastic to have a third-party lens with AF on Fuji. I'm sure that Tamron and Sigma will follow soon. This lens also has a very solid metal mount, which even features a USB connection for upgrading the firmware. Just head over to the Viltrox website and download the latest firmware. Once you have connected the Viltrox lens via USB to your PC, it will show up as an USB device. Now make sure to check which version is installed. If you have an old version, then just drag and drop the new firmware file to your lens USB device and wait to finish the upgrade. That is very straightforward, very simple way to go. The focus ring is nicely big and very smooth to turn. Now let's check the glass. Yes, this lens looks really solid. What else do you get in the box? The usual caps are also included. Now the size difference compared to the 18-55 kit lens is definitely noticeable, but let's mount this on the Fuji X-T2 and see how it fits. I would definitely say this Viltrox 85 lens fits the X-T2 very well, and since it isn't too heavy, it also balances quite well. That's it for this unboxing and hands-on. If you want to see my full review of the Viltrox 85 1.8, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also activate the bell so you don't miss any video. Don't hold your mouse or smartphone like a schnitzel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.